Hey guys, this video tutorial is going to show you how to upload and install one of Studio Mommy's WordPress themes. We're going to be using the Adore Me theme as an example. This is what the site currently looks like. It's using one of WordPress's basic theme. So from here, it's really important that you do any updates that are on your site or that your site says it needs right now. Studio Mommy's themes are created using the newest and updated plugins and WordPress. So if yours is outdated, if you haven't done the updates, you could run into some problems. So to get to your updates from your dashboard, you would just click on updates and you would see a list of all the plugins, or even if WordPress has its own update, you see that here. So please be sure you do all your updates first. So then from here, we're going to click on Appearance and Themes. Our themes require the Genesis framework. If you haven't installed it yet, I'm going to show you how to do that quickly. We're going to click on Upload, and we're going to click on Upload Theme and Browse. We're going to click on the Genesis zip file. Please be sure that it's zipped and it's not open. If it looks like a folder like this, you want to be sure that you right click on it and zip it back up. So from here, when we click on Genesis, we're going to click on Open and Install Now. Click Return to Themes page. We do not need to activate it. So you can see Genesis Framework is sitting right here on the back end. So it just needs to sit there. There's nothing we need to do with the framework. It just needs to be there, or the theme. If you install the theme first before you install Genesis, you could probably get some error messages. So be sure that you install Genesis first. If you have purchased our themes from Creative Market, it will come with one zip file. You will need to open and zip that file to access the theme file. So once you do that, what we do next is click on Upload, Upload Theme, click Browse. So now I'm ready to upload the themes zip file. So I wanted to show you again as an example, if your theme has been open, if you see it as a folder, I'm using a Mac. If you have a PC, it may look a little different, but I think it's a yellow folder you'll see. So if you click on this and a whole bunch of files and other content show up in it, that means it's been open. And WordPress will not let you install a folder. It has to be a zip. So please be sure that your file is zipped. If you're installing a different theme and it's not the Adore Me, the zip file name will be theme dash and your theme's name .zip. So we're going to click on the Adore Me theme, click Open, click Install Now. Once this theme is uploaded, we're going to click Activate. Now we can click Activate. I'm going to refresh the page. And there's the Adore Me theme. So from here, there are other tutorials. Please follow the rest of your themes tutorials that will show you how to install the social media icons, the subscribe box, and even a slider if your theme comes with it. The Adore Me theme does not, but there are other tutorials to set up the custom home pages for some of the themes. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.